only going to be looking at the newest Allure Beauty Box for March 2024, but also I have a bonus box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Allure Beauty Box is one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes out there. I just feel like they give you amazing items inside of their boxes at a very affordable price point. And today we're going to be diving into the March 2024 subscription box. I have a full unboxing for you guys. In addition, I have an exclusive coupon code available just for my viewers. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today too. And I have a bonus bundle box. So this bonus bundle is only available if you purchase an annual subscription with Allure. So if you prepay ahead for 12 boxes, they're gonna actually send you a free bonus box with all of these goodies. Like you guys, this box is so full. Look at all of these full-size products you're gonna receive absolutely free if you sign up as an annual member. So as you can tell, we have a lot to get through today, so let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to dive into the March 2024 subscription box. This beauty box is $25 a month with free shipping. I do have a link listed down below if you guys are interested in signing up. If you purchase in the month of March, this is the box that you are going to receive. Plus, if you're a new member, I have a couple of bonuses for you. So if you guys use my link and my code, I can save you $5 off of your first box, making it only $20 for this. Now, one thing I want to keep in mind and stress is that code needs to stay here on my channel. You can definitely share it with your friends and family. But last month I had an exclusive code and it accidentally got shared directly on Allure's Instagram page, and that sent up all these red flags to Allure. I got this email from them as well about how it needs to stay on my channel. And what happened is they deactivated the code and no one was able to use it. So after about a week, they finally gave me another code, and this is the one that I have now. So this code works for all of my viewers, but please don't share it with Allure. Don't go to their Instagram page to share it with others. Let's just keep it here. If you do want to refer people to my video, then they can get the code here. But if we share it outside of this, there's a risk that Allure will turn the code off again, and then I won't have anything to share for you. But on top of that, not only will you guys save an extra $5 off here with the March box, you're also going to get a free product, and the product is amazing this month, you guys. So every new member that signs up with my link and code down below will receive a free Elamis product, and it's full size. This is the Elamis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a hydrating moisturizer that you can use during the daytime. The size on this one is 1 ounce or 30 ml of product. So this is the exact size that you will receive as a new member in the month of March. And this retails for like $98 at Sephora, you guys. So to get it for free is amazing. But not only will you receive that as your gift, you're gonna get this entire box of goodies for only $20. So everyone will be receiving the same items in the month of March with the exception of the new member gift, as that's only for new members. But other than that, we are all receiving the same products. So the first item that we have inside of our box today is from Strip Makeup, and this is their Whipped Coconut Makeup Remover. It is a full-size product that we have here, brand new in the box. And this is vegan, cruelty-free, and also sustainable. Here's what it will look like when you pull it out. So this whipped coconut is going to be super hydrating to where it won't strip your skin, which I do think is a little ironic with the name being Strip, but because it's whipped, because it's coconut, it's going to be very soft. It's still going to do its part in removing everything you don't want, but it's not going to harm your skin in the process. Plus, like I said, it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's all clean skincare. So inside, you're gonna see that whipped coconut. Now mine did settle with shipping over onto the side here, but this is still a full jar. And it smells so good. Now, I will tell you, it is definitely a coconut scent. So if you don't like coconut, you probably won't like this product. I hate to say it, but it just is what it is. But it does smell really good to me. It's definitely that island tropical feel. Now, this exact box will retail for $28 on their website if you were going to go purchase it. So already, this one product is going to pay for your entire box this month. The next full-size item that you will receive in the March Allure box is from Beauty Bakery. Now, if you guys are not familiar with this indie brand, they are so cute. They always have a bakery spin on their beauty products, and it's just adorable. This is their Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Light Palette. So you will have a combination of blushes and highlighters inside of this palette here to take with you. It is a full-size palette, and it does retail for $38 on their website if you wanted to purchase this. Now, this palette is similar to a palette that we had a year ago. I did notice online on some of the forums that people felt like they were getting a duplicate product or a repeat product. However, that's not the case. The Beauty Bakery palette that we had this time a year ago was not this one. So this is completely different. Allure does guarantee that you will not receive duplicates or repeats with your membership. So this is 100% a different product. However, because I know subscription boxes, this was in a different subscription box. So that might be why there's some confusion there, is that I think some people have already seen this because it was in a totally different box. Now, I do think it's a gorgeous palette. You've got a true blush here, but then these other ones will have blush tones, but they're still going to have a touch of highlight or brightening effect to them. But we have one more full-size product inside of the Allure box, and this is from a brand called 1999. Now, this brand is fairly bougie, and oh my gosh, you guys, they have very expensive products. So this is a full-size product from this brand, and it is a cream highlight stick. This highlighting stick is going to give you a little bit of definition, but it's a cream formula, unlike with the palette that's a powder formula for that one. Now, this is going to retail for $38 if you were going to go to this website. I'm honestly shocked that it's in the Allure Beauty Box. I see this brand a lot in the European Advent calendars. Like I said, you may see them in Beautylish, but typically you don't see them in a monthly box like this. So I'm really surprised. But honestly, out of all of the boxes out there, it makes sense that Allure would get their hands on it, especially when they're looking at best of beauty products. So this is what that 1999 blush, or not blush, excuse me, a highlighter stick will look like. I've got the palette on my brain right now. Here's what that shade will look like. And this illuminating stick is supposed to give you a bronzy glow. The idea, again, is you're gonna just put it in places to give you a little bit of definition, a little bit of lift, but it's got a gorgeous shimmer. And because it's a cream product, it should blend in really easily with your skin. Now, not only will you receive 3 full-size products every month with your Allure box, you're also going to receive 3 travel-sized items. So our first travel-sized item inside of the March box is going to be this best-selling product. Now, this is one of the first products that this brand released, and you guys, I'm not going to even try to pronounce this brand because every time I do, I get eaten alive on the internet. So I'm going to tell you it is a cult favorite serum. They actually list in the Allure booklet that one of these products sells every 10 seconds because it is so popular. Now, it works at brightening up your complexion, giving you some moisture as well, and reducing the look of wrinkles. This is travel size at 8 ml, so you can definitely buy it in a larger size if you would like to. And because you are an Allure member with this box, you actually get 20% off of the full-size version. So you will receive a discount if you order this month's box and you want to reorder this. But if you've not tried it yet, I highly recommend you guys give it a shot. The next travel-sized item is from Nature Lab Tokyo, and this is their 2-in-1 Scalp Scrub and Clarifying Shampoo. This product is so good. I use it on my own hair and my own scalp. It's an exfoliating scalp scrub. So it will have little crystals in there, like salt crystals, that will help to break up any texture or dead skin cells that you might have. If you have any dandruff, it'll get rid of all of that, loosen everything up. The clarifying shampoo is also going to help to reduce the product buildup that you have on your roots. And if you have a clean scalp, clean hair, it will help to promote healthier hair as well. So your hair should grow longer and thicker and better because of having a clean surface there at the top. So if you've not used this one, I recommend it, you guys. It is so good. It's a wonderful product, and this is travel size, but I have rebought this so many times over the last few years because it's just a great product. You're also going to receive a sheet mask inside of the box, and this is from Sweet Chef. This is the Ginger Vitamin C Sheet Mask, and there's one mask inside. This is supposed to give you a brighter complexion after using it, but it is a cruelty-free brand. And the last item included in your box will be a free gift. The sponsor for the March box was YSL, and so inside they've included a free bonus product for everybody's box this month. So this is going to be the fragrance sample of Libre, and I will tell you guys, this is a very strong aromatic fragrance. It is a strong perfume in the sense that it lasts all day long, I feel like. So if you don't like a strong perfume, you're more so into body mist where it's very light, very subtle, this might not be your favorite. But if you're looking for a perfume that goes all day long, I recommend YSL's perfumes. I feel like they last forever. It does state that the notes are roses, warm musk, and vanilla, and there is a touch of lavender in there as well. Personally, I always notice like the warm rose scent. I don't really notice the lavender at all. Like, I'm kind of surprised it's listed on there as a note because to me, it's just a very warm rose scent. So that is everything that you can receive inside of your March Allure box for only $20. And then, like I said, as a new member, you get a free bonus gift, which is the Ella Miz product. I mean, all in all, you are making money on this box this month if you're a new member, you guys. But if you guys would like to receive even more free product, you can actually sign up as an annual member right now to Allure. Save a little bit of money off with a different coupon code. I'm going to share that down below, and you guys can save up to $35 off if you prepay ahead for 12 boxes. But on top of that, you're also going to receive this free bundle. So this box is going to have all of the free products that you will receive if you purchase an annual subscription. So first item that I have in here is a full-size serum from Flannery. This is the Vivifying Serum, and it features hyaluronic acid inside. It is a cruelty-free brand, and this will help to brighten up your skin. Additionally, we have a product from Medic 8, and this is their Retinol Night Serum. So this serum you put on at night, and it again is going to target those fine lines, those wrinkles, reducing that. Medic 8, this is like an $80 product, by the way. I mean, they're very expensive. Additionally, in your box, you're going to receive the hand cream in here. This is a full-size hand cream, and it's 30 ml or 1 ounce. And this has more of like a vanilla scent to it. These are all products that we previously received in other Allure boxes, but like I said, now they're free since I bought the yearly membership. The next item is the full-size Milk Makeup Hydro Spray. I'll be honest with you, this is mostly what sold me on buying it because I love this product. If you've not tried it out yet, it is a great mist that will give you hydration back to your skin. So I love this. Really great that it's full size as well. The next item that I have is from Real Her, and it is their Shadow Stick. So it's a cream eyeshadow, and it's called I Am Influential is the shade name on this one. So the shade on this is a very dark brown color. It looks like mine got turned up too far into the lid, so it kind of stuck to the top of the lid is the only thing. But you can definitely see that color is like a dark chocolate brown color. Also included in your free box will be a product from Pixi. This is their Radiance Perfector, and it is a pink highlighter. This is a liquid formula that you can blend out very easily, and it gives you kind of a rosy pink look with a bit of shimmer. This is very complimentary to the blush palette that we got this month, except this is liquid form is the only thing, but it is very pretty. The last item included in the free bundle right now is from Jasmine Beauty, and this is their Brow Styling Wax. This is a full-size product. I know it looks small, but it is a full-size item that we have here. The wax is just clear, and you're able to put this onto your brows and style them into any shape that you would like. But that is everything for today's unboxing, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think of the March box and all of the goodies. Per usual, you're definitely getting your money's worth this month. I don't feel like you're ever losing anything. I also love that we're getting brands that we're asking for. So having cult favorites in here, receiving LMIs as a free product is just super exciting. So I'm just in love with the fact that Allure is delivering on full-size products, excellent brand names, and what other beauty subscription boxes out there are only $20 a month? So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!